Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Monday, March the 4th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions for me? You can use this email address, and this is a link to get into our free trading room. Now, that's the Omnovia room. And in the body of this email, you'll see the link for the other room that we were still testing. I'm pretty sure we are going to be moving to that room. I don't know exactly when. We have to set up some ways in which you can, well, buttons, shall we say, on our website that you can click on, create an email, password, all that sort of stuff. So, we're just going to have to work on that, but I'm pretty sure that we are going to be moving to that other room. I open the rooms at 9 o'clock. So right now I'm running them concurrently, and that's why. So I'm a little bit tugged, a little bit hard to trade, but it's worthwhile because we like to get the feedback. The developer was in the room this morning for probably the first hour and taking questions from people. Like people were saying, "How do you do this? How do you do that? Can we do this? Can we do that?" So he's very open to helping people. Anyway, I open the room at 9 o'clock Eastern Time, and that's when I start to share my screen, get live on the mic at 9:05, and now I'm going to be upset. I'll show you why. I go to up to 3:30 Mondays to Thursdays and up to 3 o'clock on Fridays. Well, I have been waiting on this one for a while. This JP. First of all, let's take a look at what is it, JMU. So a lot of these little China stocks were absolutely ripping this morning. Now, I don't know if it's just all because of the potential now of maybe the China, U.S. tariffs, et cetera, being finalized, settled. But anyway, a lot of the China stocks were just ripping, and we were tracking some of these really cheap ones. And so look at JMU. It's hard for me because I saw this one right here. I was going to mention it right about there, and then it just popped, just absolutely ripped. So this one, JP, I thought, well, maybe it could be the next one. And I got very, very lucky on this one. On this candle, I was waiting for the 5 break. I think I got in around 520 or 505 or something. And I sold it almost immediately at 520 average. I don't know why the different cells are not showing up here, but it was sort of an average of about 520. I don't know why this is there because I sold some up in this area. But anyway, it doesn't really matter. And then I was saying, just before I was doing this video, okay, I wanted to watch this to see if it could take out the 520s, get to a good solid bid on the 520. And it has. The bid ask is now, of course, 520, whatever. Well, it's 530 now, so I may have missed the boat. Why I love this one is just take a look at it on the daily chart. I mean, that's so beautiful. So this could have, depending on what China does, this could have a second day continuation. I mean, look where it got up to. I mean, that's $9. It's still only at 531. Beautiful break right now on the daily chart. I'm in this one right now, this Luminex. This is from Holly. This is a daily chart, so let me get to the 15. I don't know why it says, okay. I guess I'm short at, what am I short at? 24.75. I guess I started out trying to get one here at 24.85, 86. Anyway, I'm short at 24.75. This was from Holly. I'm quite a bit late on it. I mean, it was at 25.27. That was the alert right up here. But I thought, okay, if it can take out the whole number, I love to play the whole number. And if you look at it on the daily chart, it has this room under here. So, that for me anyway, people ask me, well, how do I use Holly? Well, I don't necessarily get into any trade right at the beginning. But if they start to set up later, which I kind of thought was right here, I mean, it was starting to base a little bit here. There's a bottoming tail. Buyers tried to move it up, and then the buyers tried to move it up. The sellers took over. The buyers took over a little bit. Sellers took over quite a bit there. We'll see what happens. I mean, I'm basically flat right now on it, and I think if it got back up to here, I'll just exit the trade. But we'll see what happens. So anyway, again, guys, I'm kind of tugged between the two rooms. I'm moderating both of them, having to monitor both of them, answering questions in both of them. So maybe by the end of this week, we'll have an absolute decision, and maybe we'll have a proper sign up for that other room. So I do want to get back into the room and monitor that trade. So let me just bring back the capture program. So any questions for me, you can use this email address. This is the link to get into the Omnovia room. In the email, you'll see the link to get into the PTR room. And I'll open the room tomorrow, at both rooms tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern. So hope everybody has a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.